Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make another game in Sprite Lab and we're going to use a new block named While. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. I've already opened a new project in Sprite Lab. So you can see that it's in Sprite Lab. You can go to code.org, click on new full list, and you'll see Sprite Lab over there. So now I have a new project and I click on rename, and after that I'm gonna select everything and now I'm gonna rename it. So I'll name it as Lola's Health. Many of you asked me where is the save button, like how do we save it? So to save it, you actually need to look at that save button there. You need to click on the save button. So now I clicked on the save button. After a while you can see that the save button changed into the rename button. So yeah, that happens. So now let's move on to the code. I can throw away this block. Click on world and you can set a background or a background color. I decided to keep it as kitchen. And then I'm going to click on sprites and get this block. It's a little bigger one. Make a new sprite. I'm going to click on that little arrow and I'm going to find a girl over here. I can't find a girl, so you can click on more. Click on characters. Select anything you want, like I selected her. And next again click on the little arrow and you can see the girl is over there. Now I'm going to rename the sprite as Lola. Again you're going to click on actions. Scroll down and see set. Either you can keep it like that or like select Lola like that, or you can throw that, get this one and select the name Lola, size 2. I'm going to keep it as 200. Next you're going to click on that little key there. So make sure to click on that one. You need to click over there and now you can replace. Yep, that's perfect. Now I'm going to make one more sprite. So I'm going to make an apple or a carrot. Okay, apple's good. So I'm going to click on the little key and place it somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to rename this my sprite as apple. I find the size a little small, so I'm again gonna copy paste this block. Instead of Lola, I'm going to select apple size to 100. So that's perfect. And I'm again gonna make one more sprite, which is going to be a cupcake or anything junk. So I'm gonna, and guys, see, you don't need to click on that rename all apple. No, that's wrong. You need to click on rename this sprite. That's the right one. So yeah, I'm gonna click on rename this sprite and then you have this dialog box. So I'm gonna click on cupcake and click on create. After that, I'm again gonna click on the little key and set the size, and not the size actually, the position. So now I'm again going to set the size. Instead of apple, select cupcake. I'm going to keep the size of cupcake as 55. 100 looks too big. No, 55 is too small. I think 100 is perfect. Okay. So now comes the new part, which is the new block. So now we click on events. Events, there. Get your when up pressed. You can see the little arrow. Click on the little arrow and while. So for today I'm only doing this much, but I'll have a part 2 of it, I promise. So make sure to try this much out. Stay happy and safe and have fun coding. Goodbye.